Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example by using the dialer. And first of all, let me remove the photo in the contact. So let me pick Laura, for example. Let me remove it fastly. Alright, so right now we can start from the beginning. You have to find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and then simply tap on add a photo. And right now you've got two different options from which you can choose. So you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. So let me find the photo, tap on it, and here from this step we can either change the size of this highlighted square. We can also zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, this highlighted area, is responsible for it. We can also rotate it, up to you, and then tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo will appear in this small circle, so if you're happy with the results, just tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like with the photo applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.